What up, here? Welcome back to my channel. Some here. So guys, in today's video we're going to be drawing something epic. As usual, we're going to be drawing Gojo, Satoru Gojo full body. Okay, here are the guidelines if you need the guidelines. All right, now I posted this on my community page yesterday, so I was kind of asking which kind of video you guys want to see next, and most of you voted Satoru Gojo full body. Okay, so I had to look for something epic, full body with a nice background, which is domain expansion. So if you know you're new to the channel, as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe. Support me, support the movement. I do upload video every single day. Okay, so support me. Comment down below what character you want to see next. I do reply to comments. I see all you guys comments and I love all your, just comment down which character you want to see next. And I'll leave you guys to the video. Hope you enjoy. Peace out.